The rugged smartphone market keeps getting crazier, and today we've got a very interesting comparison between two absolute beasts, the Blackview Rock 5 and the Ulefone RugKing 5 Pro. On paper, both of them look almost indestructible, with massive batteries and extreme design, but in real-world use, they actually target very different types of users. So the big question is, which one is the better buy for you? In the end, the decision really depends on the kind of user. If you want the more powerful rugged phone with a better display, a stronger multimedia experience, and a more premium overall feel, then the Blackview Rock 5 is clearly the more exciting option. It's the kind of phone that feels over the top in a good way. But if you're looking for a rugged phone that's truly built for work, outdoor use, long trips, and practical everyday reliability, then the Ulefone RugKing 5 Pro makes a lot of sense.